Hello, this is Clinton. I'm going to give you a video documentary on my bug out bag, EDC bag.
Look, Mom, the safety instructions are written in haiku. Fasten seatbelt tight. Your seat cushions float gently. Headsets $5.
Sir, it is not safe to use electronic devices yet.
You're the waitress. I never knew she made so many movies.
Yeah, isn't it amazing? They're filming one right now in the bathroom. Gotta be out towards the end of the flight. Toga 2000. Marge, they stole my idea. Welcome to Japan, folks.
Yeah, plate, substitute cup,
Here's our room.
batteries,
Are you supposed to slide
very repellent,
I don't have time for that.
cotton buds, duct tape,
to accept your waste.
sun cream, deodorant,
There's
rope,
years ahead of us.
bungee cord,
Check it out. Dad's on TV.
Oh, yeah.
Look, there's the Imperial Gardens, the Meiji Shrine, the Hello Kitty Factory.
and here I got my safety blanket,
Who's that
my
freaking
nasal
story?
spray, and my first aid kit.
Japanese TV. Isn't this that cartoon that causes seizures?
Ooh.
Ethan may be hungry.
Me too. Let's go to an authentic Japanese noodle house.
The toilet may be in American town.
Cereal pack.
We now return to battling seizure robots.
Oh my god, what a silly program. In there they got ration packs on my ration packs. Before we open that up, it's going to take a but everyone. In the bottom, it's got my personal hygiene items, which I carry with me as well, so I don't stink. That's my EDC bug out bag, part 1. Thank you.